is Mark Kepka with iPro Realty. I wanted to show you guys this beautiful park that was recently redone. We're in the neighborhood of Erin Mills. The park is called the Pheasant Run. It's just south of the 403 between Winston Churchill and Glen Erin Drive. This park here had a brand new basketball court put in. There's a skating rink that's outdoors, and there's some soccer fields, brand new playground as well. If you'd like to get into this neighborhood, please give me a call. My number is 647-667-0147. Mark from iPro Realty. Thank you.